Good morning, team. This is XRP Charts with a quick 5-minute video update. I'm going to try and keep it quick today. Sorry I didn't get on Twitter yesterday, guys. I had a fair bit to do around here, but all good today. We can see that we did break back above the 13 EMA. I got stop loss buy-in around here somewhere, so I was down about 2 to 3% on that trade, which isn't one of my good ones, but that's okay. We carry on. Bitcoin had a brief rally, which could be at its end now. You can see here again, this is why we use the 55 strategy with the 13 EMA. You can see we got rejected perfectly here at the 55. I actually sold just a tiny bit below that, and I'm actually shorting Bitcoin at the moment, so that would have been a good entry for people. Possibly could have got stopped out if you had that set too tight there, but yeah, look, in the grander scheme of things, you know, we could be looking at a sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, we could be coming back down this way at the moment. So usually what we would do is sell at this 55, and then we'd look to rebuy here at the 13, which is fine. A pretty good chance that we will test that today. But looking further on, I mean, if we go over to Bitcoin, which is continually dropping now, we have a look at the price rise here. I mean, we've gone up and up and up, and what's our MACD doing? We're going down and down and down. So for you guys that follow my posts and follow the MAVS retracement theory, I mean, if the price is going up and the MACD is going down, you get the F out. That's the general advice. Now, target for this, if we have a look on the 30, we can see that we're doing okay on that one, but on the 15 is where we start to see this divergence. So the target would usually be somewhere here, the first indent to the left of the highest peak, and so that would bring us up to sort of this 3842 level. That's going to be my secondary target. The thing that I find with MAVS retracement is that if you get these little craters at the top of, and this one's only ever so slightly, but you can just see there's a tiny little blip here. Now, in the past, and this is just going on me observing it, a lot of the times we do just retrace just to that crater, especially if it's been quite a strong move up. So that would give us a move down to 3970. So say 4,000. So that would be where the minimum. That's probably where I'll close my first short. I'm shorting from. I actually got a really good entry at 4325. Where's that? 4325. Yeah. So I'm shorting from up here. I'll be looking to close it sort of around. This is on my exchange 2 on Kraken. So 3973. I'll probably do 3980 just to be sure that it gets closed. Then we might see a bounce. But I mean, overall, you know, if we're looking at Bitcoin and where we're heading, and again, this is computer's going really well at the moment. If we're looking at this as a, I'll just draw it in here. If we make this the 1, that's there. This is our 3, 4, and 5. I mean, with that is still a very plausible scenario at the moment, which brings us back down around that sort of low 3 mark, which can't be off the cards. So, look, I've got to work out if I'm going to ride this short all the way down to there, or if I just close it at the MAVS retracement target. I'll see how quick we start dropping. Yeah, so the other thing to look at with that Bitcoin short is it's also dropped out of a rising wedge there, so that was the main reason that I was pretty confident that was going to drop out of there. So yeah, I might put a stop loss into profit soon, but yeah, for most guys, oh yeah, look, this is already dropping down a bit further, so that's from the first video, that's what we're saying. This is that point when it breaks above the 13 EMA. Yes, we got stopped out here and we made a small loss. That's fine. We have to wear that. When we get up to the 55, it very rarely breaks through and keeps going. So that's why I say that 55 rejection there. This also makes an ABC. I'll draw it in here, and an overall ABC correction here like that, which looks pretty good there. But I mean, yeah, if you manage to sell at the 55 at 39.34, then you can already put your stop loss buy in there, and you're already in XRP profit. So that's the theory. Yeah, I wish I could have got this video out a bit earlier, but yeah, we'll carry on. But there's some pretty bearish signs at the moment. Yeah, we'll just have to monitor it during the day. But if you haven't sold now, let's have a look on Bitcoin. Yeah, we could see a small test rally back up to the 55 as well. But it really depends. If this starts dropping like a stone, then we might get down to the 13 EMA quite quickly. So I'm sorry I can't help you too much on that one there, guys. But anyway, we'll have some more updates soon. Cheers.